everybody and welcome back. I am here to share with you a couple of new kits that will be coming out into my Ko-fi shop. They will be in there as of today when this video goes live. Now, I am using these kits as part of my giveaway. Now, recently, I think it was August, I hit 9,000 subscribers here on YouTube. I was already in the process of trying to sort out some kind of giveaway, and then in September I hit 10,000 and I'm actually well on my way to 11,000 at the moment. I think I'm under 300 people now away from the 11,000. So as a huge thank you to everybody that does support and watch this channel, I wanted to do some kind of giveaway that involves everybody. Now, originally I was thinking of having some journals available to give away and have multiple winners. However, because of the way the world is at the moment with all the tariffs and all of the charges and things for when you are sending abroad, I didn't want to just limit it to the UK. So I thought the best way that I can do a kind of worldwide giveaway is to have digital freebies. So I have these two kits. They are going to go into my Ko-fi shop. So they're not going to be on Etsy at the moment. They're going to just go in my Ko-fi shop. And they will be for free until the 1st of November. So from the 1st of November, I will then have them for sale. And they will also go in my Etsy shop on the 1st of November. So you have the rest of October to go and grab these for free, and that is my thank you to everybody that has been watching, participating on the channel, leaving comments, all of the things. It really does help out my channel, and it's really lovely to have so many supporters here. So yeah, this is my kind of thank you. And I've got two kits. I have made them kind of autumn themed. One of them is, it's called Cutie Spooky because it's cute spooky, which I'll share with you in a moment. But the other one is more autumn. But they are similar in their style, so you could potentially use them both together. But I know not everybody likes the kind of Halloween spooky vibes. That's why there's two kits. So you may not necessarily want both, but you are obviously welcome to download both of them if you wish to. Now, I will have all of the links and everything down below. So yeah, like I said, you have the rest of October to go and grab these for free as a big, huge thank you from me. They will be in my Ko-fi shop, links down below. So let's take you on a little tour of the kits. Now, both of them are 15 pages each. So I will start with the autumnal one. So this is Autumn Bliss. And yeah, lots of gorgeous watercolour pictures. So there is lots of space for journaling. I do like to leave lots of journaling space, but there's also lots of decorative elements as well. And I really love the kind of watercolour look of these. We've got the young girl floating up with the balloons. Again, you've got that little cottage. Lots of flowers along the bottom. But again, like I said, lots of space still for writing. And many of the pages do have these frames on them. Some of them I have kind of turned sideways like this. And you've got a slight kind of floral pattern on the page as well. This is one of the ephemera pages. So you've got some different labels here. You've got some tabs, what could be used as a journaling card, and then some more fussy cut bits down the bottom. They do have a border around them that's a similar colour to the pages. So if you were going to cut them out and stick them on as decorations, they will kind of blend in then. But these are great if you use a cutting machine like I do. I use a Cricut. Having that outline just helps the machine know where to cut. We've then got some pockets, which again have some of the designs on that we've seen. So if I turn this one around, because obviously this was upside down. So you've got a girl walking through a wood on that one. You've then got some different tags. So again, lots of different sort of autumnal colours and scenes on those. Then we've got some layered tags. They kind of decrease in size. These are great if you kind of like layer them up and use some of the other tags over the top as well. I've then got a large envelope. got a gorgeous leafy design on. Then we've got some more journal pages. So again, with this lovely kind of lace frame. I think I've got 2 pages there. Another one with the smaller frames. And while there is sort of some faint writing, there's still, like I say, lots of space for you to do your own journaling as well. And then we've just got some background pages. So this one has some very faint leaf designs on there and some more leaves here. And then the last page has this gorgeous green frame, and then the bottles down the bottom, and yeah, another kind of mini woodland scene there. So that's that kit. So this one, as I said, is called Autumn Bliss. There are 15 pages in this one. In the second kit, you'll notice that it is a very similar style. So again, we've got the same kind of frames and the coloured background, just the images are slightly different. So like I said, you could potentially use both of these kits together in one project. So again, you've got the labels, but this time we've got our kind of ghost, Halloween, spooky, and some different images. The tabs are a different colour. We've got a different image on the journaling card, and it's a different colour as well. And then we've got some spooky ghosts, which again have a faint outline around the outside, which helps, like I said, with cutting machines. We've then got a series of pockets, similar to the last one, like I said, just different patterns. Again, we've got some tags, varying sizes. And again, we've got the layering tags. But like I said, it's still very similar colours. That's the envelope. Really love these autumn leaves. I think they're really, really nice. And then we come on to some of the journaling pages. But yeah, these ghosts are absolutely really, really cute. Love this one on the bicycle with the pumpkins. And this one I quite like as well, sitting on the swing. So pretty. And I love this kind of moon shape here with the flowers. Again, 2 smaller frames. We've got that bow that we've seen on the tags. Again, we've got some background pages, but these are different patterns to the ones in the other kit. So like I said, even if you were to mix the two, then you've got some other background pages that you could use. Same as this one, it's got like moons and things on there. So this one fits this kit better, but again, you could still potentially use that with the other kit. And then the last one, again, we've got that lovely big frame, but it's more of a kind of grey colour in here. And then these fantastic ghosts down at the bottom. So that's the second kit. So as I say, 2 kits that you can get for free as a huge thank you from me. As I say, it will be until the 1st of November. And I will have all of the links down below. You do not need to put in any codes to get them for free. When you download them, if you've used Ko-fi before, you'll know. So as you go down, you just put a 0 in when it asks you for the amount, and you get them absolutely for free. But after the 1st of November, I will then have a fee on there. So grab them now. I really hope that you enjoy working with them. There will not be any challenges or anything because this isn't one of my main kit releases. That will be coming in November. So I'll have a new kit ready for November, and I'll do my usual weekly challenges and things with that kit. This, like I said, was just something that I was working on. I was really enjoying doing this, and I thought I would use this as my giveaway for reaching that 10,000 subscriber mark here on YouTube. Well, that is all from me today. I just wanted to share these 2 kits with you. As I say a massive thank you to everybody that does follow this channel and support me. I really, really appreciate it. I never in my dreams believed that I would get to 10,000. I didn't even think I'd get to 1,000 people, if I'm honest, when I first started this channel. I do this is my hobby. I enjoy crafting, I enjoy designing. So I'm just happy that you guys are enjoying what I'm doing. So a huge thank you. Go and grab these kits. Like I said, you've got till the 1st of November. Go and take advantage of that. I cannot wait to see what you make. If you do decide to make something with any of these kits or any elements from these kits, please tag me on whatever social media. I am Nonstop Papercrafts across the different social media platforms. I would really love to see what you create with this. Once again, a huge thank you. Thank you for joining me today. I hope you have a wonderful crafty day, and I will see you all in the next video. Bye for now.